550 Lima X-ray, flighting 175, runway 20, cleared for takeoff.
Number 6 Zulu Whiskey Clarksburg, show you in a right-hand turn, say intentions.
Nice 736 Zulu Whiskey, returning to course. Thank you.
Number 6 Zulu Whiskey, Roger. If you need to make any or deviations, you need to advise prior to your deviation.
Roger. Thank you. The autopilot standing.
November 736 Zulu Whiskey Clarksburg approach. I show you in a sharp east-hand turn. Say intentions. Number 736 Zulu Whiskey Clarksburg approach. I show you maneuvering. Say intentions. November 736 Zulu Whiskey Clarksburg approach. How do you hear? Number 736 Zulu Whiskey, we hear this transmission ident.
736 Zulu Whiskey. Listening.
Number 736 Zulu Whiskey, you are IFR. You cannot be making drastic 90-degree turns. Stop prior approval. You're cleared direct Papa Juliet Charlie Airport. Maintain 7,000.
Maintain 7,000, clear to Zulu Delta.
Number 6 Zulu Whiskey Clarksburg approach. You are continuing to make drastic right and left turns without prior approval. You need to commence straight Papa Juliet Charlie Airport. You cannot make these turns without prior approval.
Okay, Roger, sir.
Number 6 Zulu Whiskey, do you require any assistance?
No, sir. Thank you. 736 Zulu Whiskey.
Number 6 Zulu Whiskey, are you experiencing any navigational issues because you were not flying in a straight line?
Yes, sir. I'm experimenting navigational issues with autopilot here. One try to correct. I try to cancel the autopilot. Cancel it, fly the airplane manually.
Better pilot will actually fly the fucking airplane. Number 6 Zulu Whiskey, Roger. Advise if you like any deviations. I have Connellsville Airport at your 2 o'clock and 15 miles, and I have Morgantown Airport due south of you in 10 miles.
Okay.
Number 6 Zulu Whiskey, Clarksburg approach. You're making a 180 now and changing altitude. Do you require any assistance?
No, sir. I'm at 7,000, trying to fly to...
Number 6 Zulu Whiskey, Roger. And what are the navigational issues you're experiencing? Number 6 Zulu Whiskey, you are proceeding in the opposite direction of your intended airport. Number 6 Zulu Whiskey, I highly recommend you proceed to Morgantown Airport. You're not able to fly this plane properly right now, and growing concern for you. You're changing your altitude and direction consistently. Number 6 Zulu Whiskey, Clarksburg approach, how do you read?
I read you well. Okay.
Number 6 Zulu Whiskey. Are you experiencing like hypoxia or anything? I need you to turn left, direct Morgantown Airport. You're not be able to fly this plane properly right now. I'm concerned for your safety. Number 6 Zulu Whiskey, climb maintain 7,000, showing your current altitude of 6,200.
Climb and maintain 7,000.
Number 6 Zulu Whiskey, are you direct Papa Juliet Charlie at this time?
Yes, I'm 6,200.
Number 6 Zulu Whiskey, would you prefer to land at a closer airport? Number 6 Zulu Whiskey, I still show you losing altitude. You have Connellsville Airport at your 3 o'clock and 10 miles. Number 6 Zulu Whiskey, are you able to maintain altitude?
Just 7,000.
Number 6 Zulu Whiskey, are you back on course, sir?
Yes, sir. Thank you very much for your help. I'm back on course here. All under control.
Number 6 Zulu Whiskey, contact Pittsburgh approach 119.35.
119.35. Pittsburgh approach.